questions on the roads? Where we're going? Yes, ma'am.
So we've got both the serpentine type city course and the grid city course.
The figure 8 city course.
Yeah.
Yeah. Both of those will be somehow configured on the dynamics pad.
Both of them.
Yeah.
So Bob, what's that in the middle of the circle track there?
Oh, good, thank you. We have two other road systems inside the circle. One's the interior noise road, and then this will be the exterior noise road. And we will have a little modular unit out in the exterior noise area for the computer equipment and the operator and for a couple of visitor stations. And around the circle track, we'll have windbreaks and we'll have vapor lock sheds and all those things that, we got today.
What about dust, gravel? Will we use the Army stuff for that?
The intent would be, yeah. We're not gonna do anything on property, at least initially. That's where the partnership comes.
Yeah, exactly. And our dust course is probably 3 or 4 miles north on Highway 95. Well, not our dust course. We call it a gravel course, but to you it's a dust course.
Plenty of
We
dust out
deal,
there.
yeah, we deal in different magnitudes of dust.
And I should mention too that as part of us being here, a couple of things that we're doing with the Army, and many of you know this, is that in this area, we are helping them fund a road system. And it's gonna be for a lot of the heavy-duty vehicles that they're gonna be running. And the other thing that we're doing in partnership with the Army is we're allowing them to run some of their smaller vehicles on our road systems. And it's not much different than what we're doing with Harley and Link West today. They'll have the ability to schedule with us to run if they need to run on an exclusive basis, but hopefully we'll be able to run, as we do today with our partners most of the time, running concurrently. So that'll be, again, part of our partnership with the Army.
Did you say, I'm sorry, I missed how many lanes the straightaway was?
Straightaway's 3 lanes.
3 lanes, just like the current one.
Yeah, sure. Yes, ma'am.
You have to know how long your dust course is. Is it a loop?
Yeah, it's an oval. It's an oval. It's probably 3.5 miles
Okay.
total circumference. 3.5 to 4. And then we're putting a bigger one too. But
I'm trying to decide gravel or dust.
it's gonna be, well, again, we deal with, what we call dust is you walk out and the dust comes up to here, above your ankles. That's what we call dust. So we learned what you call dust, we call gravel. So that's why I say our gravel course is equivalent to your dust course. At least from the people that I've showed, the facility to.
One thing we've learned is from driving, they've got plenty of dust down there. It's
Yeah.
not a big problem, we just need to work out the details for,
Right.
we're gonna have to correlate
Maintain it, and who has to
Yeah.
calibrate it.
all that stuff,
Yeah.
we're gonna have to figure that out.
And our test courses, we do keep them calibrated. Our gravel course, I'll use my terminology. Our gravel course, we run what we call course profilometer vehicle over it. We measure what the surface roughness is. When we see that it goes out of spec, we'll go out there and do maintenance to it to get it back within spec. That's the kind of things that we do with our test courses.
And then, for the testing community here, one of the major considerations was the environmental conditions, and of course, heat's not a problem.
Yeah, got more of it.
Got that. And humidity is pretty similar to what we've got in Mesa. The issue that we've been most concerned about is the wind, and it is a little bit windier here, and we may run into some issues once in a while in our testing, but overall, it looks like, we can get most everything done that we need to get done.
Looks like there might be a little less monsoonal type activity.
Much less. I mean, just, looking at what you guys get in Phoenix versus what we get here.
As everybody knows, that's what kills us late in the season, and I don't think we get that so much here.
No. Like I was saying, you guys will get 5 monsoon storms to R1, basically. We get to Phoenix Station, so you guys get hit 3 or 4 times a week, where we're lucky to get hit once a month. That's a lot.
And I think your rainfall is about a third of what we.
Yeah, we get 3 inches of rain a year.
Yeah. So maybe those 100-year storms really are 100 years.
Yeah.